how do you think he's gonna position himself if he becomes the chief minister? Position himself, number one, and how do you think RSS is going to play a crucial role in making the decision who is going to be the chief minister of Maharashtra?
Look, I think the RSS has been very strongly pushing for rooting for Devendra Fadnavis to become chief minister. I think that is something that's pretty well clear, and they have put their best foot forward, both in Haryana and in Maharashtra, to deliver this victory to the BJP. The cadre has gone from door to door. They've been very, very active in both states. And RSS is a factor why the BJP has won in both states. So it will be difficult for the High Command to ignore what the RSS wants, I suspect. And at one time, the RSS had thought of making Devendra Fadnavis the president of the BJP nationally.
Yeah.
But I think that seems to have been put on the back burner. Fadnavis, what is going in Fadnavis's favor? Because he's seen as the architect of this victory of the BJP in Maharashtra. He's very experienced. He's already been chief minister for 5 years. Also, while the Marathas, but certainly Jharange Patil has gone for Fadnavis and called him anti-Maratha and that people should not vote for him or the BJP. He would, I think, the OBCs, which is a large chunk and which consolidated in the favor of BJP, I think would accept him. And rather than a Maratha, this Maratha, and there are two Maratha deputy chief ministers, both Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar come into government and continue as deputy CM. So he would balance that. And also he is an acceptable face and probably most favored face today by the finance world, the corporate world, the industrial lobbies, the MNCs, who see in him as managed things because then be a novice. He cannot be somebody who's inexperienced in a state like Maharashtra because what they're talking about is urban renewal, what they're talking about is an infrastructural push, new plans, and they feel Fadnavis has the both the, as I call, the steadying hand as well as the experience to be able to run the government and contend with the pressures that are going to come from Eknath Shinde as well as Ajit Pawar. So he is their best bet.